going on YouTube? Your boy, Not Your Average Hybrid, back with another vid. And today, you might be wondering what I'm going over. Well, you feel me? The title might give it all away. But I'm going over the 1-year ownership of having this baby. The 2012 Infiniti M35h. Let's go straight into it. Alright, so to pretty much give you a little bit of, background information on when I got my car and all the information about it. Like I said, this is a 2012 Infiniti M35h. Looks just like the M37 and M56, but this is the hybrid with the 3.5 liter engine. Let's see. I got this car last year on April 21st, 2020, and it's now May 4th, 2021. So yeah, about a year. So pretty much having this car a year. I got the car at 53,000 miles, 53,475 miles, and I'm currently at, turn it on for you guys. Nice fresh cold start, Yeah, guys, pretty much, I'm currently at, 70,000 miles, so about 17,000 miles later, here I am, 17,000 miles, 1 year later. So, I guess I'll just go over this little slight stuff I, swapped out, pop the engine for you. What I pretty much did is pretty much all still stock. I did change these engine air filters to the K&N aftermarket air filters. Yeah, as you can see, guys, I just swapped these out to the K&N filters, which I'll definitely have to clean, as I can see. Sheesh. Yeah, just clean those, but yeah, pretty much got that. Then, of course, got the tints put on there. Then, like, the first 2 weeks of having it, got the muffler delete. Then, a month or so. So, pretty much all these models are pretty much new, within a month or two, or within a few weeks of having the car. So, pretty much like I had it on the car ever since I had it. Okay, so I know what you're wondering. So pretty much having an Infiniti, oh man, you think the maintenance is gonna be, expensive because you're paying for the name brand. But to be honest with you guys, it's honestly not that bad. I got my brake fluid changed not so long ago. Actually, when I just got my last fully synthetic oil change, and yeah, that's all I pretty much put in here is just the full synthetic oil change. I'm not sure what the original owner was using, but I just used the top quality stuff. So yeah, I got my brake fluid change. I think as you can see, the 25th, along with a fresh full synthetic oil change. So far I've got 4 oil changes. Like I said, I had the car 53,000 miles, so I had one at 57,000, 62,000, 67,000. I'll probably need another oil change. Let's say 76,000, but I probably do 74 and a half, 75. I don't really. I usually stick around the 3K mileage because it's required maintenance, so you might as well keep your baby nice and raw, fresh, fully synthetic oil. I only use the best. I don't use the conventional stuff. But yeah, so far, just brake fluid changed. Oil change, still had the original tires and brakes on here. Let me show you guys some original tires and brakes, 53,000 miles. So as you can see, guess I'll be needing them soon. Brakes and rotors still looking good. I probably need some tires soon, so I'm gonna get the high performance slotted rotors and high performance brake pads, along with the prior summer tires. Ooh, you see a chunk missing from spinning. But yeah, as you see, this is where my finger goes. See, I'll probably need some new tires. Since these are the ones that came on the car. All the way around. And then I guess another thing, let me know, guys, if you ever had a crack in your windshield. But I did have a crack in my windshield. Can't even really see where it was. Let me see if I can see where it was on the inside. But yeah, I also had a crack on my windshield, you know, just from highway driving. But I fixed it before, you know, it spread. That's the best way, you know, before it actually spreads and gets worse. I guess you can actually see it right there, a little nick. You can barely see it. So I passed it real good. But yeah, other than that, I think there's probably another one. See another little one? Can't really see him, but yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. So, you know, regular oil changes, boom. That's with any car. Brake fluid, that's with any car, especially when you get up in mileage. But I mean, the belts are good. No leaks, no real heavy maintenance. So this car is definitely pretty good. Gas mileage, you know, through the roof. It's a hybrid, so I can ride quiet on my battery. I think up to 50 miles per hour, I think it said. So great gas mileage ain't no thing unless I throw this bad boy in, you know, sport mode. Then, you know, that's when the things get nasty. But what else? I guess you want to know what else you want to know. I guess car payment, car insurance. So my car payment, you guys want to know, my car payment is only $250. $250 a month, guys. That's what my car payment is. That's how much I pay for this bad boy. And my car insurance is $150 a month. So not bad, not bad. What's that, like $400 a month to drive this bad boy? Full coverage, of course. But yeah, guys, would I recommend this? Well, of course, you're probably not gonna be able to find the M35H like this because they're very rare. But do I recommend the Infiniti or Nissan in general? Yes, because if you don't know, little backstory, I had the Nissan Sentra, I had the Infiniti G37 before this, and I had a Ford, but I don't want to talk about that, Ford SHO, and then I got this. So I pretty much only had Nissan and Infinitis, and I never had no problems. Now that Ford, I don't even want to go into that, but that was having some transmission failure. So this is pretty good, guys. See those lights? Sheesh. But I guess that's pretty much it, guys. You know, till next time.